Delivery is here for Ngwasheng online lesson. All the tools that I've been waiting for, they are here. Drawing tablets, lights, and all, they are here. I'm gonna open it and see what is it that is there, so we can be able to start with our actual lesson. I've been waiting for this, so I'm gonna pause the video a little bit so I can be able to unwrap it, and I'm gonna show you what I have here. Okay, let's go on it. All right, I just opened. This is some of the stuff that I also ordered. I included clothes for my kids as well. Clothes are there for my children. Okay, yeah, yes, wireless microphone. This one reduces the noise, background noise. We're gonna open everything here. Okay, these two USB flash drive, 100 gig each. There are two of them. We're gonna use them to save some videos for future. And then I think here inside, I think is a document scanner. I'm gonna open it. And this one, it should be a drawing tablet. That one, as you can see, wireless microphone. All these from Temu, guys, online. All these from Temu. So I'm gonna open the box and see what is inside. Oh, there I just decided to buy this. It was a set of, I don't know how many they are. Let's check the number there. Just how many are there? Damn, this is too much. Okay, so I just added this in case I'm gonna use them anyway. All right, let me pause and open up what inside these two boxes, or these four boxes. As we open, inside we also found this inside the box. Now let's remove that. Wow, this is nice. Actually, this is nice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is where we just place a document right here. Then we scan it. It will appear on there. Depending on what you are using. Inside I still have the cables. There are the cables. Oh, USB cable as well. They also included USB cable inside. Okay, this is what we got from this box. It's a document scanner, guys. It's a document scanner. It's gonna be attached to the laptop. So in this case, we don't have to do copies like as we usually do at school. So I'm gonna use this for all those papers. Now let's open this one. Let's open this one now. Wow. There we go. There we go. So you can see this is a drawing tablet. It's gonna be connected to the laptop as well. That's a drawing tablet. There it's there. A drawing tablet. I'm still gonna take a clear video, a picture of the whole setup. I just received everything today as I was waiting. Okay, there, it's a pen, everything is inside there. I'm still gonna test the system and connect everything. I'll connect everything. Don't mind my space, guys. For now, I just to unpack everything, I just decided to use this space. For now, I'm checking if everything that I need is there. All right, now I can open the next box. This one, as you can see, it's wireless microphone. There's no need for me to open this one. As you can see, USB flash drive, 2 of them, 100 gig each. Okay, wireless microphone. There we have it now. Can just take out some of the things here to show you what we have. As you can see there, I'm still going to show you everything once it's done. To my fellow YouTubers, as a new YouTuber, please, any advice on the comment section below is welcome. I welcome anyone with the advices as a new YouTuber. Okay, I'm gonna set up everything later. Then I'm gonna send the first video. Please subscribe. Okay, let's check another box. I don't know what's in here, so I'm just gonna check what is in this box. But otherwise, most of the things that I ordered, that I wanted to have them before I could start, they are delivered. So yeah, Temu, it's a big deal. All right, let me proceed and check what we have here. No, this box consists of the iPods, just iPods there. I forgot that I ordered these too. Okay, so I think I have everything that I want here. I'll just do the setup later. For now, I just wanted to check if everything is there. Set up later. I have this scanner. What do we have here? A drawing tablet. Then we also have this side a wireless microphone. Of course, the laptop, but the laptop is not here. Then we have 3 USBs. Wow. I bought 200 gig USBs, but I find that there's also USB there inside. Oh, it's a USB cable. Okay, how many gig? I think it's 4 gig, this one. All right. Just set up everything, the entire thing. Then I'm gonna post it as well. Because even my learners, they were now asking when will we start with the actual lesson. I was waiting for all these to be delivered. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.